Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Life, Health and Money. As I promised you on TikTok that I will show you the complete tutorial of the two websites that how you can earn the money while sitting at home just sparing 2 or 3 hours a day. There are lots of websites on you can earn on survey website, like you can say ad clicking website, but these are some websites which I personally work and I recommend, which will pay you on time. First one that which I'm sharing with you, that is PTC Share, ptcshare.com, that you can see in the address bar. What you need to do, what the website do, actually they will provide you the surveys, they will provide you the banner ads, they will provide you the ad views. Here you can create your own ads as well. Like if you want to create your ads, they will make you the payment. Here you can see that how much amount they have paid till now to the people who are working with them, and below, like you can see all those singers, how many registered users are there, how many members who have earned the money from them, and they have the subscriber from all over the globe. They are working with them. So without wasting the time, let's get started. First you have to sign up with them, as I have already signed with them. If you are new, then you can do the sign up from here, or I will do one thing, I will post the sign up link right below in the description. You can go in the description and you can sign up from there. So just log in. Let me just log in for you, as I have sign up with them just 2 days before. So you can check out that this much ad I have clicked, and this word BAP. What the BAP? BAP means bonus ad points, which you will get from them. The dashboard exactly you're going to get here. Like if you're interested in playing in the games, you can click on the games and you can play the games and you can earn the reward. There are some section on the dashboard. Once you click, you will go to the dashboard. On the dashboard you will see that how many ads that today you have, and how many ads you have and where you need to reach. Like if you click within 7 days, if you click 50 ads, which is very easy. If you work daily on this, then you can unlock this account and you can move toward the premium account. And there are lots of ways to earn. First we will explore the dashboard, that what all things a dashboard are giving to us. Like here you can see all the things, that is account is active, do you have a bonus endpoint to receive cash ads, all the things are there. As I am not subscribed with the premium membership now, so these all things are crossed. If I purchase this will be enabled. So these are all the things. Payment option, like you can withdraw your cash out to the Perfect Money, Solid Trust Pay, Pioneer, Bitcoin and Litecoin. So let's get started at how you can start earning. Click on this earn button. Once you click on the earn button, you can click on the view ads. When you move into the view ads, you can see your balance here. You can click on the view ads, and once you click on the view ads, I'm sorry, previously I was clicked something wrong. Like once you click on the view ads, you go here, and here it is showing that view activation ads. So once I click here, it is the time, it is showing here that 11 hours is still remaining. So I am going to click on this for you. I'm clicking this. It will drag me to the next window here. Now here it is showing click on the car. I am clicking on the car and then confirming it. It is taking 5 seconds, and after 5 seconds it is complete. So I have earned 5 BAP points. So I am clicking on the next ad again. Then again it is showing me the click on the touch of the puzzle. Puzzle is here. So I am clicking it, confirming it. It is another taking the next 5 seconds. Let's see how much I am going to earn in this. Again 5 BAP points. Then next. So as much as it's showing, you can click here and you can confirm it, and once you are done with this, it will take you again to your dashboard. Again next ad, click on the clock. I'm clicking on the clock, then confirming it out. If I want to go to the dashboard again, then after finishing this ad, I can click simple here. I'm clicking on the back, and now my VIP point here, it is showing 150. VIP balance 150. Again, if I am going in the down, it make sure to check all out of the various offer walls where you can earn extra cash. Check the offers now. I'm clicking here the check the offers now. Access denied. Offer wall, give you the best paying offer. You need to meet the following requirements. It's showing me the following requirement to meet this. View at least 50 ads in the past 7 days for the activation of this section. Currently, I have already done it 22 ads. Make at least $10 in the BA purchase in the last 30 days. Current is 0. So I can do either one. Then there are another option that how I can earn the money through this. I can earn the money through watching the videos and the surveys also. Like here it is. Complete all the offers to earn $333. So you can click here. It will take you to the Hideout TV. We can sign up here, and after signing it up, you can watch their videos. Got it. You can watch their videos, log in and sign up. You can sign up here, and after signing up, once you finish the video, the amount will get credited in your account. Then again, there are lots of options. Like if you complete this survey gift cash, you'll be receiving $4. Then click here. If you complete this Wana ads, you will earn 42 cents. If you complete this, you will get 18 cents. So this kind of offers is here. Take a survey and you will earn this much amount. People from all over the world can join here. Basically what happened in this kind of a sites, people from US, Australia, Canada, New Zealand and UK will be allowed, and they can earn the more earnings. But here, people from across the globe, even from India, can come and earn here. And after that, if you have reached to the minimum like $1, you can withdraw your funds. And these are the panel which I am having here. If you want to refer someone, you can refer someone, and after referring them, you are going to earn the benefits through that. 7% commission. You are going to earn 3% commission on the clicks, whatever they're going to get. If you want to withdraw your funds, you can click here, deposit, and withdraw the cash. Once you reach out to $1, you can withdraw your cash from the options, whatever you want to choose, like Perfect Money, Payeer, Bitcoin and Litecoins. So here is a complete tutorial that you can check it out. Another video is website is guyspaidwords.com. It is as similar to the same that PTC share. You can simply sign up here, and after signing up, you can click on the links and everything. Link of the sign up I can give you in the description box. Create a free account. You can click here. This much cash out they have already done. These are the payment option available with them to withdraw the money. Guys, there are lots of websites. If I'll starting naming all the websites, it will take me more than 24 hours.